You're watching Mirror TV, and welcome back to another sports vlog. We are watching, or you are watching, the first ever MILB video, and this is one of the kick-ass moments where we're going to be filming the opening day here in Staten Island. It's Staten Island Yankees versus the Brooklyn Cyclones on opening night.
Yes, and plus, after the game, there is going to be freaking fireworks, man.
Fireworks. It is a minor league game in which the Yankees are the farm system with the original New York Yankees. And for the Brooklyn Cyclones, they are the farm system for the New York Mets. So, well, go figure.
Yup.
So, oh my gosh. So, you didn't miss much. We kind of arrived here a little late, but no score at all. And it is a base hit. And we shall get underway. We are at the top of the second. Well, the first time when we watched baseball was back in May, and it took place not too long ago, about 3 weeks ago, perhaps. I could be wrong. Might have been 2 weeks ago, where we saw, as the player got hit, we saw Tottenville Pirates destroyed the Susan Wagner Falcons, and here we are promoting up to the minor league.
And the bases are loaded, folks.
Yeah.
Center fielder number 12, Ronfi Ada.
Ground ball to short, and that's the top of the second, I believe. Yes, it is. And that lets the Cyclones stranded. And now we go to the bottom of the second.
Prevention treatment.
This is the view of the city.
Tonight's opening day t-shirt giveaway was brought to you by Richmond County Savings Bank. And fans, Richmond County Bank is also the sponsor of tonight's fireworks extravaganza. Don't forget to visit one of the 20 Richmond County Savings Bank locations or go online to mynycb.com for all your banking needs.
Which is at right field. Normally we would go back behind the plate, but not this time. It will be next time.
August 21st at 7 p.m. for the 2019 New York Penn League All-Star Game.
We will be going by. We will be seeing
home of your Staten Island Pizza Rack.
You see Manhattan.
Make sure you join us for the fun-filled evening. For tickets or for more info,
Brooklyn Cyclones are played in MCU Park, in which, if you are aware, we went to that stadium when we saw Rugby United New York.
Penn fans, tonight's fire.
By the way, I brought my glove with me this time. If you guys remember a lot of my groundhop and baseball videos, I always forget my glove. And that's swing and a miss, strike three. I'm gonna try to put on my glove.
Now batting, third baseman number 14, Mitchell Robinson.
It's a single-A minor league system. Farm system for both New York teams, the Mets and the Yankees, in which, of course, the Staten Island Yankees are infiltrated from the Yankees, and the Brooklyn Cyclones are, of course, infiltrated from the Mets. So, yeah. And that's out right there. Ground ball to second. Good play. Scoop with two hands. And that's the third out of the second inning. We go to top of the third. And by the way, my glove is on. So I am ready in case the ball comes my way. Right, Will?
Yes.
All right. Fly ball to right.
And then it's caught.
Good catch. And probably shaked it off. Not sure if I caught it because of the.
Now batting, Cyclones right fielder number 1, Zach
Folks, we are
Ashford.
definitely going to relocate our seats after the top of the inning.
Yeah. Is it?
Yeah, like at midnight. Ground ball to the pitcher. Nice play.
Good play.
Pitcher saw it coming and he throws to first. By the way, yes, we are coming back here at Richmond County Ballpark. We'll be watching. Oh! Oh, hits the center of the wall. Cyclones trying to go for two. And he's safe.
Oh.
What a hard hit to center. As I was interrupted by a base hit to center, we are
such a great hit.
We are coming back to Richmond County Ballpark next Wednesday, where the Staten Island Yankees were playing the Connecticut Tigers. Now there's a man on second. Too high. That gets away from the catcher, and the man will go to third. Cyclones is threatening here as my ticket's ready to fly away. Ground ball to third. He should get it. And that's the third out. And the run will not count. So that will be it for the top of the third. We are about to relocate.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
Ground ball to short. One out already. High fly ball to right. And not sure if he crashed into a wall. I think he did crash into a wall. Yeah, he crashed into a wall. And I think it's a foul ball. And it is a foul ball, so ground ball to second. Good play by the Cyclones. And that's 2 outs now. Oh, it's out! Bottom of the third conclude. We're going to the top of the fourth on that nice play.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, direct your attention to the right field.
Swing and a miss. Goodbye. Ground ball to short. Can't get it! And no play, and that would be the base hit. Alright, so it was not. So I just learned that it's not a base hit. The Staten Island Yankees are charged with an error. Oh. He's going. He's going to try to steal second. It's a ball 4. So the out or save would not count because it was a ball 4 anyway. Oh, he tries. Oh, he called him a rundown. And safe right there. He's now trying to get the runners to go to second. He's going to third. Got him. Now that's 2 outs now. Oh! It is a base hit! Cyclones will score! And it's out! What a crazy turn of events in the top of the fourth. I believe the run has already scored just before the out was made. We'll see what happens, but regardless, we are going to the bottom of the fourth. So the run does count. The runner from third has reached the base before the throw from second is out. Runner from third scored before the out was made. So that's why it's now currently 1-0 Cyclones. And a base hit, and that's the Yankees' first base hit of the game. Blooper to third. And throw to first. Made. That's the first out of the inning. Oh, he slipped! Calling a run down. Oh, he's going to get tagged. Slips. And he tries it. And he's out. There was nothing he could do. Wow. 2 outs now. That's back-to-back innings now where somebody was calling a rundown. Like a broadcasting. Swing and a miss. Game over. Well, not game over, but Bottom of the fourth concluded. And
Top of the fifth.
Top of the fifth coming up. Ground ball to short. They have it. Ducked. And that's the first out of the fifth. Pop up. It's coming this way. Come on, bring it. Bring it. Ah! Ooh. Look at this dude. Come on, man. It's going to ricochet over here. Wow. That would have been the best. That was probably the best chance I've had to get a baseball. Here it comes again! Ooh! Oh.
Where did it go?
It went behind the seats.
Get it!
I'm not gonna get it. I'm gonna miss the game. How about you get it?
Okay.
We're getting quick. The kids are after it.
You know, whatever. I'm caught.
Damn, you got caught in between.
Yeah.
But hold on, I'll try to make room. There we go. Ow! Where are you going?
I'm going down here and see if I'm back.
You're actually gonna try to get the game ball? Wait, you're not gonna get it! Will! Oh my god! Oh, was that going? Oh.
Fix-a-Dent. That foul ball brought to you by Fix-a-Dent.
Swing and a miss.
Nice.
A fly ball deep right. It's going to get caught, and that's the third out. We go to the bottom of the fifth.
I know. I don't think there's any possible way they can.
Scoot to third. Oh! I did not know, but he traps! Oh my god! Are you crazy? What just happened?
I think King's mom.
There were two errors by both one of these in the same team. One throws away and he trips. Wow, I've never seen that in a day of my life on a baseball game. What the hell just happened? And swing and a miss. There he goes. Out number 2. There's a guy with a white shirt. Oh! Guy at center caught the ball. And that's the third out of the bottom of the fifth. What a strong hit, but was anticipated by the center fielder, who was able to navigate it correctly. And he paid the price. And out we go to the top of the 6th. Swing and a miss, goodbye. Oh! 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 Did the player actually catch that? Oh my god, the player actually caught the pop-up. Wow, what a play. And ball 4. Man, I bet. Oh snap. Time for fireworks. Ball 4. Now 2 men on base. Now all of a sudden the Cyclones are on base now as the Yankees pitchers are struggling here. A ball to right. And that's the end of the inning. Yankees survive. Cyclones players left stranded. We go to bottom of 6. Loop to short. And 1 out. Oh! Oh, good play by the second baseman. And that's 2 out. Ooh, that's ball 4. Line drive to left. Left fielder has it. Caught. And that's the third out of the bottom of the sixth. Now we go to the top of the seventh.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it. All right, fans.
Wow. How could you not love this sight? The tugboat going by in the outfield of the Hudson River during the ball game. Yeah. Foul ball. Let's go back to the tugboat. As it's going by the Hudson River. Look at this, Will. Oh, nice. Yeah, the tugboat's going by during the game. How awesome. We're definitely awesome. Getting our money's worth now from this precious ballpark. Swing and a miss, strike three. Nice. As we say goodbye to the tugboat, we say hello back to the Jersey City skyline and the Manhattan skyline right there as well. Oh! There it goes! It might leave! Goodbye, baseball! Actually, it did not leave the ballpark. It just hit off the top of the wall. I thought it went over the ballpark.
You dumbass.
That ball got by everyone. Oh my God. How could you miss that pickup? A lot more Yankees fans here than Cyclones fans. That's because we are this and now the Yankees. And that is low for a ball four. Now we have the runners at corners. Why are you standing there?
It's not sending, but okay.
Ball four, that loads the bases.
Wow.
This would have been the first time in my life I'll ever see the Cyclones actually win the game. It's only my second time in my life I actually seen them play here. Last time was back in 2014. Oh! To that? Oh, he caught it! Everyone advances! It is a big sacrifice fly with a big stop right there. And they only have to score one, so now it's 2-0 Cyclones.
This is the opening night for the season, everyone. And that is the inning. So just one run for the Cyclones.
One run for the Cyclones. Now it's 2-0 Brooklyn. Take me out to the ball game. Take me out to the ball game. Take me out to the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and Cracker Jacks. I don't care if I ever get back. No, we root for the Yankees. If they don't win, it's a shame. Chorus 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the old ball game. Yeah. Ball 4, Yankees. Makes a good play in the infield. That's 1 out now. Whoa!
That is gone.
No, it's playable. Who's gonna catch it? And the left fielder caught the ball, so the runner has to retreat back. That ball gets away behind the catcher, and the runners will advance to second. And the ball is too high for a ball 4. And almost got his face. Ball 4. And that loads the bases. That ball gets by! And the Yankees with the point, finally! Oh, and he slips on the turf. Yankees are finally on the board. They now trail 1-2. He said no swing, ball 4, and that loads the bases again. Yankees are trying to crank it up. Uh-oh. High fly to the infield. Oh, the center fielder caught it, and that will strand the bases. And Cyclones just escaped. But still, Yankees are still coming back. They trail 1-2.
Brother, I'm recording for my friend Mirror TV. Give a shout out to him if you're watching this.
Yes, I know the difference between your voice.
In fact, here he is. Whoa! Whoa! What a catch! That was a high fly ball in the air. Still got unlucky, hey? Base hit. Safe! And he is safe! Nicely done!
Swing and a miss, strike 3. Ground ball to short. Easy play. 2 outs now. Play it ball at the first base. Somebody's going to catch it. Number 2 caught it. And that's the final out of the top of the 9th. And we will go to the bottom of the 9th. Can the Yankees come all the way back to win the game? We'll find out now.
I'm gonna tell my dad.
For what?
Because you told him that the game's about to end.
Now you really gotta be consistent with the strike zone. And he held up ball 4. Folks, we're relooking at our seats again. Here's the Manhattan skyline. You can probably see also the New Jersey City skyline right there. Can't see the Brooklyn skyline because the trees are obstructing it. But it's really magnificent. Right? They're expressing how beautiful this park is. Well, I am not joking. It's magnificent.
Oh, here we go, here we go.
Bring it, bring it! Oh. And the Cyclone fielder caught the ball.
You only got 2 outs. Game's over.
Everyone thought in my area that's going to come this way, but it stays in play. Out.
Oh!
Ground ball. There's one. Oh, come on, get the double play! Yankees still alive as the ball gets away on a potential game-winning double play. It depends on what class.
Oh, there he goes, there he goes.
The ball gets away, and the runner advanced to 3rd. It is ball 1, and just like the wild pitch, again, the tying run is at 3rd. This could do it. And game over. Brooklyn Cyclones win it.
That was a good game.
Good game and a good opening night here in Santa Ana Yankees.
Yes, it was.
A little bit of heartbreak for the Santa Ana Yankees. Final score 1-2 Cyclones on a big road win. And now we are not going to end the video here. We are going to watch the fireworks.
Yes, we are.
You excited for the fireworks?
I am very, very excited for the fireworks. Are you?
Yeah, I'm excited for the fireworks.
Let's do this.
3, 2, 1, let them my God. Oh, different colors now. Now we're navy blue. Did you see that? Oh, I thought it was over. City of all time. Oh my God. This is the greatest city of all time.
Hallelujah, America!
America, New York, make some noise. The game has just finished and the fireworks show has just finished. We just left Richmond County Ballpark. We are going back there in a matter of days, and I want to thank everyone for making it this far in the video. What a fantastic night. I didn't care who win the game, but oh my God, what a night.
Those fireworks were outstanding, man.
It was a 7-minute show, and I put the full show into the end of the clip, so that way we can see it. And yeah, originally this is a Christmas gift, thanks to my mother, and I was able to get 3 tickets along with it. I only got 1.
So that's why his partner in crime came.
Partner in crime! Woo! Anyway, so yeah, after a great night of the fireworks and the game, in the end, Brooklyn Cyclones escaped with the 2-1 victory on a road.
But it doesn't matter.
It does not matter.
At all.
I still had a fantastic night. And look at this, Yankees, baby. Or Mets, but I really prefer the Yankees because, like, 27 world titles.
And how much did the Mets have?
2.
Yeah.
Look, I don't care who I root for, but I do prefer watching the Yanks because it just, something about watching the Yankees just feels more like baseball.
Yeah.
But anyway, yeah, one day we shall go back to MCU Park, not only just for the rugby game, but for the minor league game.
Yes.
So if I do go, I will surprise you. So yeah, that will do it for MILB vlog episode 1. This is Mirror TV.
And William B signing out.
Signing out.
Have a great one.
Have a good one.